We should be arriving pretty soon. It's right around the corner over here. You can see it right there. Yep. We got Nate working on it right now. Alright, so we're out here. What you been doing?
Oh, everything, I guess.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Seen your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, gonna set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my soul. Showed her how to whip and now she read myself alone. She my trap queen, let her hit the band though.
Yeah, pretty much.
Brakes. Out of brakes. That's the most recent progress.
And you got it from a deal from Rock Auto, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, everything for 160 bucks. There's the pile of junk.
Alright, so we finally have a nice day to work on the Itasca. Well, I just got here, but he's been working on it pretty hard.
Itasca Disasta.
The Itasca. But anyways, it's been the resting home of this RV for what?
15 years?
15 years. 15 years is a long time to be sitting. So yeah, so we're hoping that we can get this thing on the road.
It's going well today, so maybe today's the day.
Hopefully today's the day.
Hopefully.
We'll see. Yeah, it's been raining non-stop for the last month probably.
Hello. Are you anywhere near the parts store still? The parts store. Yeah, if they have it.
Alright, as y'all can see, today's date is October 27th. And the...
Oh, end of October already?
Yeah, 27. And when's the Chop Top Challenge?
March 18th.
March 18th. So we got a little bit over 4 months.
4 months.
4 month-ish.
We gotta be able to test it still too.
So it's gonna be a challenge, guys. We might not make it. Hopefully we do.
It is called the Chop Top Challenge.
They call it the Chop Top Challenge for a reason. So we'll see. We'll give you guys more updates on this, and yeah, hopefully some good comes out of this.
Some good.
Some good or some bad times, whatever, you know. And we got another member over here. Y'all know Nick. Look at this guy. Yeah, we got the Audis over here.
What's up, man?
What's going on, dude?
Got some food. Got the Audi squad here.
So what you bring?
I went to Dog World.
Dog World.
I actually got them for Nate, but...
Corn dogs?
Yeah, mini corn dogs. We won't tell him who's down.
Yeah, don't tell Nate. Don't tell Nate, guys.
Gotta zoom in on the Chicago dog action. Oh man, that's how you do a Chicago dog.
Looks pretty good.
Okay, pretty good. Cookies?
Actually, I'll try one. Okay.
These are
Never say no to
these
cookies.
Are made with love. You can't eat a cookie in the middle of a Chicago dog. Oh, small world.
What? Is that where you got down there?
Nah. Whenever I'm out this way, usually I stop at
he
dog.
works all the time.
Alright, so who's to blame for putting us in this fucking Chop Top Challenge? This guy over here.
Oh, don't bring me down.
So you did it last year. So he did it last year, and
Tried to coerce you guys that'd be a good idea, and now look at us. We have an RV that's almost running, and we're about to get it on the road and chop that top.
exactly. Nate was the one with the idea to do an RV. I mean, No, from what he says, there's nobody else that's done an RV before, so.
Exactly. So we're gonna be the original people doing this.
Yeah.
A lot of other people have tried limos, cars, trucks, SUVs, but never an RV. So we're definitely on the forefront of it.
And we got no clue how we're gonna pull it off, but we're gonna find a way. Where there's a will, there's a way, you know. Brand new lines. Hopefully we get this thing to stop.
And you just need to reef on this for a sec.
Reef.
Oh, she's reefed. Jesus.
That's a dumb design. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the knuckles, bro.
Oh, this one. Do you want a funnel?
No.
We have funnels.
Funnels are losers.
We don't need any in the rear. We literally just plugged it.
So? Just in case.
I got some.
Okay. Hold on. Up. Oh, she's a quart. Whoa. Not quite a quart.
Alright, move the cars out the way. Looks like it's a big moment right now.
I think you're supposed to do 4 and then the other 4. The daylight we have left.
Drive it over there.
The only gas can we have here holds a gallon.
Yeah, we need more than a gallon.
Move it. We can always. That.
Ignition switch.
No, I remember talking about it.
We got a custom ignition switch right here.
Oh.
Yep.
There we go. Well, that's not good. Let's go see what's going on. So we think this wheel is locked up because he has spun the other one, right?
Yeah. The brakes aren't gonna work. And to those folks I say, have no fear. I already can't come. I do.
We don't even know like where the brake shoes are relative to the drum.
Normally they're on the sides, so. Yeah.
So we're gonna do some sketchy ass shit right now.
Counteract. Oh, it moved.
Oh.
It moved. It spun about quarter turn. Let off a little bit again.
Oh! That was so wobbly, dude.
Oh yeah. Why is it wobbling so much? I don't know. line there. See, that's my thing. I like your style. Bro!
Yeah.
What is that?
So I'm guessing there's probably one on the other side too.
Yeah!
So it's this thing.
What do you want to do? You want to put the wheel back on and do this whole jacking it up process again?
It can wobble out into the wild driveway. Then we figure. Give her the beans.
Oh, still feel like it's kind of locked up. Here, you want me to dig you more of a slow? You're good.
All you need a, you know, like when the show and you put a
Keep going.
zipper on there.
RPM's up and I hit it. You go, oh! Hit the wall. I wonder if it's legit.
Bro.
You think?
Maybe. It's gotta be.
Could probably do it pretty quick.
Oh my god, this thing's heavy.
Yep.
It's spinning. So what, are you just gonna try and drive it again?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, you ready?
Yeah.
Because both tires. Hey dude,
It got wild.
it's out of its spot.